Hi guys, welcome to our room tour here at the Holiday Property Bond at Alfaix. We're in room AB6, or apartment AB6, which is on the upper floor. Hello. So here we are in the living area. You got TV, settee there, the seat there.
Where do we start?
Through here is the bathroom, shower overhead, and toilet down there. All comes with all the towels and everything you would need. Here's a wardrobe or cupboard with ironing board, iron, clothes rack, all that sort of stuff. There is a separate laundry downstairs in each block. Here's the twin room.
Known as Josh's room, next to it.
Got wardrobe in there. Plenty of space.
Yep, there's loads.
Extra bedding at the top there.
Yes, there is.
You've got a plug socket down the side there, so you can plug your chargers in. Plenty of lights.
There is plenty.
And you can see out there the view up into the mountains.
Yes, you can.
There is aircon here as well.
Which is very much.
You got a vanity unit there. Come around this way to the kitchen.
Got the dining area as well.
Yeah. You've got your kitchen. It's fully stocked. All your knives and stuff are there. Little welcome there. All your glasses.
Lovely. Dishwasher.
Dishwasher there. You've got your drawers. There's all your knives and forks. One thing we need to check for, have they got a bottle opener?
I'm guessing they would have. That door slams if you leave it open. There you go.
Bottle opener there, can opener. Yeah, but you need a rolling pin, all sorts of stuff.
Garlic press. Okay.
Yeah. Here you'll have all your pots and pans on your hob. Yeah.
Oh, literally everything.
Kettle, toaster. All your cups and egg cups and that sort of stuff in that cupboard. A view out over the Pueblito there through the window. More pots, coffee pots,
What?
coffee mugs and plates, all that sort of stuff there. More jugs and all that sort of
Okay.
there. Got
Bowls.
big bowls there for salads and stuff, I'm guessing. Got a microwave, an oven,
Oh.
salts and a few bits and pieces in there. Chopping board. That's empty there. Fridge freezer.
Empty at the minute.
Yeah. Okay. You got your recycle bins, food bins and stuff there. And a few more trays for the oven in there. You come out into the dining room section.
The outdoor areas after we've done.
Yeah. Okay, here is the master bedroom. Again, pretty similar to the
What, the one?
other one. It's two beds pushed together by the look of it.
Oh, yeah. That's what they tend to do.
But it has got an ensuite. Again with a bath and overhead shower there. All the towels and stuff that you need are in there. Wardrobe, plenty big enough. Spare blankets in there as well. And you've got patio doors there out onto the terrace. I'll show you the other way around onto that. If I go to the other end, so I think the sun's a bit harder to see. You got a table, 4 chairs there, parasol, nice big terrace. Come back here.
That's one outdoor area.
You've then got a little balcony here. You're off to the mountains. There. You got a roof fan here in the lounge. You've got a DVD player. You can get DVDs from in reception. All your holiday property bond information is down there in the books. And back through the kitchen area, you've got this door leads to the roof terrace. Got four sun lounges, a parasol. See over to the reception area and pool and restaurant over there. And you've got another pool area over there. And again, usable the mountain area. Let's get back down. Right, okay guys, that's our holiday property bond in Pueblito de Alfaix in the Almería area of Spain. Thanks everybody for watching, we'll see you all real soon.